Ipsy Glam bag for August has finally arrived. Let's see what we got for August. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. I feel like every month the bag gets more and more delayed. Oh, wow. Hello. This is the bag. It looks pretty, not bad. I could like to take to the beach or something, I guess, if you go to the beach. First thing that came out of the bag was a brush. I'm glad that this one is in good condition. You know what happened in last month's Ipsy for me. So actually, it looks like something I would really use. This is by the brand MOTD, and it's a pigment packer. Beautiful. Look at that. I haven't received one like this in the Ipsy bag, so I'm really happy, and I don't think I've received any from this brand either. It reminds me like of the $2.39 from MAC, but skinnier, so it will really be good to pack in the color, not blending, just packing. And also, this was the first month that I actually got to pick an item. I know a lot of people have been doing it, but I don't know how it works. It's like the add-ons that it's like a specific day only on the 2nd of the month, because I got an email telling me, okay, you can pick your item. So here is the little pamphlet for the month of August. Its future is yours. I'll leave the thing that I ordered for last, okay? Oh, cool. We have here something from Pixie by Petra, and it's a eyeliner. I usually get liquid eyeliners because I tell them that I'm obsessed with eyeliner. I have been in need of like a pencil eyeliner. What color is this? This silky, what? Wait, is that the color? I have such a hard time opening things with these nails. It's like majorly secured, like it's not escaping from here. Hold on, I'll be back. Alright, it's finally out, and ooh, it's a beautiful, I believe, black. I hope it's black. Let me just swatch it. Look at that. It's not black. This is the color. I can definitely wear this. It is very creamy. I did put some in my lower lash line today from Milani. Didn't work as well, so let me just see here. Okay, that was easy. A fan of like liners. Send me liners, send me brushes, and I'm good. Next we have here something from Jersey Shore Cosmetics. Never heard of this, but this is a watermelon moisture rich hydrating balm. I love balms, you guys know that, more than like lipsticks. Very excited, and I love watermelon. You know what? I just filmed this makeup tutorial. If you want to see it, I'll leave it like the end of this video just in case you want to check it out. But I was using the Lancome Juicy Tubes. So let me just smell this. I'm very excited. I've never heard of Jersey Shore Cosmetics. Oh, I died. Oh my god, that smells delicious. I got goosebumps. Alright, let me apply this. You see, these are things that I really get use out of, so I'm very happy. I just get very happy for anything makeup. Oh my god, that is beautiful. As of now, we're doing good. Oh, I didn't show you the bag inside. Look how pretty it is. Iby Beauty. This is called Lush Eyeshadow in Bloom. Let's see what it is. I don't really like the visual eyeshadows. That's just me. I love palettes. Well, the packaging looks very cute. Look at this tiny little thing. It actually like kind of matches my nails. It is very pretty. Made in China. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look how pretty. Swatch. Doesn't seem to be like super pigmented. It's not like super creamy or anything. I mean, I'm really trying to get in there. Swatch it so you can see. It's alright. Maybe it performs better on the eyes. Maybe if you wet it or something. Color, it is something I would wear like with a smoky eye. Love the packaging. I'm a packaging junkie. This is what I picked. Please, if you know how do you pick or when do you pick your item, let me know. So let me know like which other subscription you would highly recommend. Just leave the name down below. I really want to try another one. I just really like Ipsy because it's like customized. I don't know if the other subscriptions are like customized or do they just send you anything. Don't just send me random things that I'm not even gonna use. This is by Glam Glow and it's called Bright Eyes. Look how cute this is. I don't really have anything by Glam Glow really. I tried a mask one time and it like burned my face. Not literally, but it was like really like intense. So this is the Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. I'm super into like skincare, anti-aging, all of that. I'm very delicate because I have like milia, prone to milia, and like sometimes I'll get these little balls if something's too thick or too hydrating, or I don't know the ingredients, whatever it is. Hoping this is nice. This looks beautiful. Gently smooth and pat a small amount on the entire eye area. Daily as desired. Sure thing. Oh my god, look at it. I love that. I can't wait to start using it. Backing on the eye cream. Very pleased with this month's Ipsy bag. Let me know what you think of your Ipsy bag for this month. Was it a fail or are you happy? Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.